Oh!
It's like really doesn't
Yes. So we made a last minute decision to do an overnight boat trip in my old Kestrel 18-foot sailboat.
There's the problem.
Last time the motor coupling failed, so I made a solid coupling for my electric Seagull motor. I have an Ecoflow power bank and solar panels to charge it. There'll be a link in the description, and also a 5 horsepower Mercury outboard for the longer distances. Since I'm officially the worst fisherman in New Zealand, we'll land on this island for a swim. We've been fishing but catching nothing. Maybe we'll catch some at night. Day 1 of survival.
so pretty.
Pretty cool, eh? Commando crawl past the obstacles. How we're going to get back to the boat. Alright, we're underway. He's cooking us up some dinner because we haven't caught any fish yet. I've managed to fit both motors on the one bracket. It's a bit dodgy, but electric motor's pushing us on pretty good now. A little bit low on fuel and we're just going to head up to another fishing spot. We've just come back to the island for one last little play before dark. This is the setup I've got for the motors here. So I was running the electric motor for a while, but now the coolant's not working on it. So it's a bit of a nuisance. And I think it overheated. Maybe the controller's got an automatic heat shutoff or something like that, because after a little while it's just stopped working. I left it for a bit and it ran again, but I've just been using the gas motor. But maybe I'll try and fix it, and tomorrow we'll use the electric motor some more. The sun's just starting to go down. We're set up in here. Mia's about to start reading a book. Still no fish. We'll check in later. I don't know how big it is.
Doesn't matter as long as we catch them.
Oh!
Holy!
It's a snapper.
That is a big snapper. I'm getting out the way. That is a mean.
Yeah.
Woo! That is a mean snapper. That is.
It's not a mean one. It's a barely legal one, but it's good.
No.
It's an eater. Been woken up in the night by a fish.
I was the one to spot the fish because I just heard the thing going crazy. I don't know.
Or it's a big carway maybe. Oh, it just broke off.
Oh.
No! It was massive.
How? Maybe.
It was like that big. Okay, we've got another fish on and it's something else big, and we've got a tangle too. Why can't we just catch a small fish?
I mean, what would you rather? Huge fish?
Oh look, there's a piper in the water. See the piper?
This is so exciting. We've never done like a fishing
Oh
before.
man.
That thing is huge.
Yeah.
Ah no! This light is very buggy.
Just took all my line back. Oh, it's almost up. Oh, there's a stingray.
Oh, come on.
There's the stingray. Oh, you stupid light.
Oh, I feel so bad for it.
Yeah, I don't know how we're going to get it free. Lift it up.
This thing is like really does not
There's
like
the
this.
stingray there. Okay.
just got a snapper. Me.
Yay.
Hey, buddy. I caught you. And it's on the little rod as well.
Yeah, we need to measure it.
Yeah,
Okay, Mia's woken up now. It's a bit overcast and cloudy today. There's last night's efforts. We're probably going to eat up the smallest one and see how the weather goes, but we might head back over and have a bit of a play on the island this morning. Go for a walk or something. Get out of here, bird.
we have a visitor. Help.
There we go, we've got the fish cooking up. Had a hard time fiddling with this. This is what I had to fill it with. But it'll be good for a nice little breakfast. Probably take the rest home to the family. We've got rain happening now. We'll just stay in the cabin, wait it out I think. Maybe have another go, we're still fishing. Just stay the night in there.
It's really sandy in here.
Not so good when this tide comes in. Looks like a mussel boy here.
I've never seen one.
We can make you a little boat out of it, Mia.
It's like cut the top off. Wow.
Wow, it's in good condition.
Who would this for?
Bit of a swamp here.
They might have a nest, Dad.
We're having a bit of a second breakfast here. We would cook it up on the beach, but I think there's actually some sort of fire rule.
Yeah, it's a fire ban.
Yeah, so we can't do that. So we cook right beside it instead, and then we might go for another swim. It's starting to rain a bit, but we're still going to go for a bit of a swim this morning. It's nice and warm. So this electric motor, it actually cut out again. We used the gas motor to get into shore, and without having a charger, without having a multimeter, I don't know how much I'm charging it. If you've seen the other episode, the battery was actually overcharging and the controller didn't like it. I think the BMS and the battery might be kicking in. Maybe it's too low, but I can't even see it on the dodgy multimeter I've got. So I'll take this motor off for now and we'll go for a bit of a swim. Looks like the land just slowly erodes underneath these tree roots till they eventually fall over. This is the end of the overnight stay, but my brother Stephen and I go out fishing a couple of days later. Doesn't look like it's fighting very hard. Oh, spat it out. A huge 2-meter bronze whaler shark follows in one of our fish and comes right beside the boat. I missed it on camera, but we see it again later.
It's running now.
Yeah. I wonder if the shark got it.
Maybe. Did it suddenly go hard or? Shouldn't be a stingray.
Oh, it's off. Oh, first shark. Could be a huge fish. Nah.
It just changed. It was weird. It came
Yeah.
towards me, so I don't know what it was.
Is it?
Massive shark.
See if you can wind it in. That'd be cool.
I won't.
Just missed it jumping.
The drag.
Yeah.
Does that?
Might be better. Maybe you should loosen it off a bit. Are you going to wear it out or nah? It'll take forever, will
Oh,
it?
see that, man? It's
Ah.
huge. Keep looking out there. It's,
Oh, the camera was looking.
it's-
Oh, it's broken it.
Yeah.
Oh!
I think there was more than one out there, eh?
Yeah. Not very big.
I think it's legal.
Nice one.
It's not hooked. That's a big snapper. Oh, big earth snapper.
Oh, good. Yes.
Yeah.